guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making homemade sanitizing wipes. So since a lot of stores are running out of sanitizing wipes, we are going to make some. They're super easy. I have some, so let's take a look at these ingredients right here. So the active ingredient, it looks like it's 70% of alcohol. It's a first aid antiseptic. Where are the other ingredients? Here we go. Inactive ingredient, purified water. All right, so that's pretty much all that it has in it, alcohol and purified water. But today we are gonna go up a notch. All right, let's get started. First things first, you are gonna need some paper towels. Now, my roll was a lot thicker than this, but I had to unroll it and put it on a different roll to make this video. If you have a bigger glass jar, you can definitely make this thicker, but this is as much of it as I can fit in here. All right, onto the cutting. All right, so let me just measure it out a little bit. So I'm gonna cut right around there. So go ahead and get a jaggedy knife. I don't know the right term for it. And cut it right down. All right, there we have it. We've got two separate rolls. This one's a little bit shorter, of course. Let's just see how well it fits in there. Okay, perfect. On to the next step. You are gonna need 1 cup of water. You may need 2 depending on your paper roll size. Next, you're gonna need some alcohol, 70% or higher. This one's 91. I'm gonna go ahead and dump half a cup of this in here. There we go. And it's nice that I have measurements that are right on there. Next, we're gonna grab some dish soap. We need 1 tablespoon of this. And this just makes it a little bit soapy so the alcohol is not too drying on your hands. Go ahead and give it a good mix until everything's incorporated. All right, now you can stop at this point, or you can add some essential oils. This time, I'm gonna add our lemon essential oil. This is gonna give it a nice citrusy smell. I am gonna do about 10 drops and go ahead and mix this together again. All right, let's go on. All right, so now what we're gonna do, you're gonna go ahead and put your paper towel roll in your jar. You're gonna grab your liquid and you're gonna start pouring all over it at the sides right there. So now you can go ahead and take this roll out, and there's some liquid left in there. I can use it for my other paper towel roll. You can go ahead and grab the center piece right here, and now you can pull it out and have your very own disinfecting wipe. This one's a little bit longer, but cool. You can wipe your hands with this. You can wipe your surface area with this. Excuse me while I wipe everything down. It's definitely gonna hold its shape. It's not gonna rip. This recipe is really handy to have. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. We have made our very own disinfecting wipes. I actually really like this recipe, and I like how they feel with that dish soap in there too. Make sure you do have a lid because they will dry out because of the alcohol. Please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and until next time, bye!